Okay, today we are talking about 5 strategies to address betrayal and how to strengthen your bond with your partner. Now, discussing betrayal is tough but necessary for an open, healthy relationship. Let's explore how to do it in a constructive manner. Point number 1, prioritize reconnection. It's always about connection. So, approach the conversation with the aim to understand and heal, not to blame. Point 2, speak from the heart. We use we statements to show you are in this together and share your feelings without accusations. Point number 3, opt for a neutral setting. Always go for a neutral setting. A calm chat over a coffee can feel less confrontational than a discussion at home. Always get out of your home environment and go to the coffee shop and discuss it. Point 4, keep a curious tone. It encourages a dialogue where both partners feel heard and not judged. Stop judging. Stop giving verdicts. Point number 5, the last, focus on solutions. Remember, you need a resolution. So your goal is to fortify your connection, not to deepen the divide. So it's not about dividing your thoughts or your opinions. It's about reaching to an agreement. End of the day, it's all about fostering trust and closeness, even when tackling the hard topics. Remember, transform tough talks into stepping stones for a stronger union and keep the connection alive.